AirPods are some of the best wireless earbuds out there, but they have one main problem, and that is they always fall out of your ear when you start moving around or even when you're just sitting still. So today I'm going to be giving you a couple of tips and tricks to keep them in your ear. The first trick I'm going to be telling you is to actually clean your AirPods. People often don't think that they need to clean their AirPods, but cleaning them actually really helps because it gets rid of all the earwax, all the dust, and all the extra particles that are stuck on the AirPods that make it slip out and make it so it doesn't have a good grip in your ear. And if you don't know how to clean your AirPods properly, I have a video that I will link somewhere up here and in the description below so you can clean your AirPods the best and most efficient way. My second trick to you is to move them and wiggle them and rotate them around in your ear to make it fit the best possible way. Most people don't really do that. They just kind of put it in and realize that it falls out. But if you actually move it and position it the best way, you can find the best position that your AirPod can sit in your ear to make it fit and stay and have a good grip in your ear. This third trick to you is for AirPod Pro users only. When you got your AirPods, you remember that you got different ear tip sizes. Well, you can go on your iPhone and then do a test to find which ear tip is best fit for your ear. So you put on, let's say, the medium one, and then you put it in your ear and it will play noise and it will analyze to see if it best fits your ear, and if not, it will tell you and you can change it out and keep doing the test until you find the best ear tip for you. My fourth tip to you is to go on Amazon and find some AirPod accessories. They have a bunch that make it so different designs that will fit around your ear, in your ear, but overall just give a better grip on the AirPods and keep them in your ear. I'm putting 2 links in the description below for Amazon so you can go and get some AirPod accessories to make them fit better in your ear and have a better grip. The first link is the AirPods Pro, and the second link is for the AirPods 3rd generation. That concludes today's Tech and Gadgets for You video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope this was helpful to keep your AirPods in your ear. If you did enjoy, then leave a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe and hit that bell so you won't miss any future videos. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, and with your help, we can definitely do it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!